Hi, Barry Schanz, and I want to show you just a quick trick or tip for how to handle wiring of speakers that are going to be in some sort of a scenario in your vehicle where you want to take the speaker out and you don't want to have to use quick disconnect plugs. Like here in this tweeter, it is soldered directly onto the terminal. So I don't want to have to chop this and have to rejoin it like I did here every time I take it in and out of the vehicle. And what you're seeing is one half of a pigtail. You might find these marketed for CB radio power quick disconnect, something like that. And this one's just like 16 gauge wire. And something you'll need to consider is the connector here is obviously quite a bit bigger than a pair of speaker wires, so you have to make sure you have clearance to pass this through, at least in where this is going on my vehicle. This is one of the sail panel covers, and I had a video from several years ago where I showed my technique of how I built this. So this clips onto the vehicle. There was not a tweeter here originally, and so again, what you're taking is bare speaker wire and you're adding a quick disconnect plug. And what you're looking at is the CDT Audio ES01BE beryllium finished in black. This is the second revision or the second release that CDT has done of this tweeter. Hope this helps you out.